What's up guys, it's Royal. Here in this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys some top core exercises to focus on those upper ab exercises. In the last video, I showed you how to work on those lower abdominal exercises. Not this time. All upper ab exercises. Are you guys ready? And here we go. Make sure you're squeezing your core. It's not gonna work if you're just doing the movement. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze every time, and I promise you, you're gonna see changes in your core. You guys can see I'm sweating so hard just doing this video for you guys. It works. Sorry, I'm tearing the balls out. I didn't really kiss it. All right, guys, thank you guys so much for watching my top 20 upper abdominal exercises. Again, these exercises are all gonna be working your upper abs. Sometimes people have difficulty toning and burning their upper abdominal area. So again, I have a 35 ways to burn stomach fat ebook. Make sure you guys get that ebook. There's 3 things that are very crucial that I put in that ebook. One's gonna be your nutrition. Your nutrition is gonna help you burn your stomach fat. Number 2, you're gonna have plenty of exercises that you're gonna get in that ebook. Some of the exercises that I did today, as well as some of them that are not even in that ebook. So you're gonna be getting extra and brand new exercises. Number 3, you need workouts. I promise you, I have workouts even in that ebook for you, so you can make sure that you are slimming, toning, and focusing on your abdominal area, all right? That was Royal. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Again, I already hit 100 subscribers. I'm on my way to 1,000. Love you guys so much. I appreciate you. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out. I just finished my 100 burpees right now. I am drenched as hell. Oh my God, I was like literally dripping in there. You guys are gonna like that video. It took me If I nominate you for this challenge, I'm gonna be nominating 5 people. You're gonna be sweaty as hell, which is good.